Hi dear students, thank you very much for joining our lecture. Today's topic we discuss about computer network. What is the computer network? Why important for computer network? Computer network is a group of two or more computers connect to each others electronically. This means that the computer can talk to each others. That way computer in the network second informations called where two or more computers you connect through wires or Wi-Fi, you can say the computer networks. Computer networks use a client machine, client process, server machine, server process. These are systems which connect to each other. The client server model involves requests to replies. The purpose of computer network. Primary object of computer network: transfer data from machine A to machine B. Suppose you are using two computers, so the purpose of computer network information transfer from one computer to another computer, facility to access remotely information, facility to sharing of data, facility to share personal to personal communication, facility to integrate entertainments. Not every machine is connected to every other machines. Establishment connection between a pair of machines, transfer data, enable machines of different speed communication to each others. Use of computer networks: business application, home application, mobile application, social issues. The home network application used for this purpose. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning IT foundations. Today in this lecture we talk about classification of network. There are few ways we classified the computer network: personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, wireless networks, home network, internet works. These are areas we classified the classification computer networks. Let's discuss it. Broadcast networks: classification of interconnected process by scales. Suppose the internal distance 1 meter, 10 meter, 100 meter, 1 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 100 kilometer, 1000 kilometer, 10,000 kilometers. These are where we divided the distance to classify the networks. Personal area network, local area networks. Personal 1 meter equals, it's called the personal area network. Room, building, campus, these are called local area networks, where you used any room, building or campus. Suppose you are in university or a school campus, you all connected to the computer. These are called the local area network. If you connected to metropolitan area network, which are 10 kilometers, about 10 kilometers a city. Wide area network is called to country-wise or the planet. You can use all over the world internet. These are the called internets. Local area network, the inter-process distance is 10 meter to 1 kilometer and process is located in room or building or campus. These are called the local area network, which are 10 meter to 1 kilometer distance. These are called the local area network. Metropolitan area network. The metropolitan distance is 10 kilometer and the process is located in city. The metropolitan area based on the cables, like if we take examples of the cables TV which are provided about the city location, these are called the metropolitan network areas. Wide area network, the internal process distance from 10 kilometers to 1000 kilometers. The process is located to country wise. These called wide area network. with routers host. They provide network to all over country. Internal works, they are the provide details to networks all the country which internet works. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, today's lecture discusses about wireless network. The category of wireless network: system interconnection, wireless LANs, wireless WANs. These are the wireless networks which connected to systems. Wireless through Wi-Fi, the system connected to provide information, connect data. These are called the wireless networking. Wireless networking, suppose the wireless network base station is the base station wireless. They connected three system here on the three laptops computers connected to the wireless base systems. They don't have wires, they are connected through wireless Wi-Fi. These are called the wireless systems. Home network category: computer, desktop, PC, PDA, shared DVD, ACRs, telecommunication, telephones, etc. These are the called home network category. It is based on the home base systems. References: OCR references model, TCP IP references model, comparisons of OSI and TCP IP protocols. These are the protocols of computer networking. References: the protocols: application protocol, presentation protocol, transport protocol, session protocols. Just we give you introduction, not deeply about that, because the course just intro all the information about the networks which can help you to understand these. Application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical links. These are the TCP IP reference models. Reference model to protocol network. Concept central of the OCP model: service, interfaces, protocols. Circuit of OSI model and protocols. Why OSI did not take over the world: bad timing, bad technology, impression, politicals. Circuits: application layer, the application layer, transport, network layer, application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layers. These are must you learn about telecommunication and computer network if deeply you want to learn about it. Hybrid models. Network softwares. Protocol: they are using the protocols which are the host network softwares. These are the layers: addressing, error control, follow control, manipulating, routing. For examples, the internet connections, X.25 frame relay, ATMs, Ethernet, wireless LANs. The ARPANET. The first was the ARPANET. Net introduces structure for telephone. It is the best or communication to help to communicate each others. The internet usage. Traditional application used 70 to 90s: email, news, remote login, file transfer. When we start to just for email, news, remotely login, file transfer. Architecture of internet. The architecture of internet: regional ISP, POP, client, telephone, backbone, server frames, routers. The Ethernet. Architecture of regional internet. Wireless internets. these are the system wireless internets connected to each other's wireless connected LANs. The range of single radio wave not cover the entire systems. These are the wireless internets. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.